Hello and welcome to this week's video. Today I am going to make some extra journaling space for my own journal. I am making this with a bit thicker copy paper and I am folding it into this little booklet. And then it's time to make the cover. I am using some watercolors and pen markers. I will list the products I use in the description box below. I did not have any specific plans for this cover. I just started to paint some colors into the paper and see where it took me. And then some flowers started to pop up, of course, because I love flowers. Let me tell you a little bit about my own journal that I am making every time that I have the time to do so. It's an old book and I found it from the second-hand store, and I thought that the spine looked so lovely even though it was in a rough condition. So I just had to purchase it and I made it into a journal. That was my very first journal that I have made from a recycled book. I like to use mixed media a lot in my journal, not only writing, and I will make a flip-through video of the journal when it's fully finished. Loch Ness Monster suggested it in the comments, so why not? There is still many pages to be filled, but in time that video will come up. This next month will be all about journaling in my channel because we are having some renovations at home and we have to move out for a month, so I won't be able to do any journals for a while. So I thought that I would do some journaling videos instead. So if my uploading schedule varies a bit because of these renovations, my apologies. And here this booklet cover is starting to how do you say it in English? Starting to something. Oh yeah. Well, starting to take its form. And then I wanted to add in some text. I thought that it would match up with this nicely. And then it needed a bit of something green and cute. And then let's fold it into this booklet and put it into a journal. Here is my journal, and I have made this out of fabric and papers and buttons, and here is the beautiful spine with a little wobbly threads, but it keeps the signatures in place, so it's okay. And here are some paper beads and ribbons and so on. I love these metal book corners. I think they are just beautiful. Let's put the booklet into the spread. I haven't yet decided what I am going to do with this journal spread, but I think this is a good start. I will maybe do a video about it next time. Let's look at some pages from the journal. Here are some watercolor flowers and pockets and such, and bright colors. These teeny tiny darlings are my favorite subject to draw and paint. Actually, pikkiriikkis means teeny tiny in Finnish, so these little cuties are the inspiration for my channel's name. And here goes another one, running by the lake. Okay, let's continue journaling next time. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely week.